And what made you choose to come to book into this workshop?
Birthday present.
Present for you?
Yeah.
Yes. We saw it come on quite a long time ago, and we thought, it'd be a nice way for Rach to come to Sydney, to Orange from Sydney, so that was good fun. And
fantastic. So you come from Sydney.
Yeah.
So, and just the whole dynamics of the blends and the aromas and the grams, how much to weigh, and it's been a really interesting workshop. We'll definitely come again. Yeah, no, it's fabulous. Yeah. We've learnt so much, had a lot of fun, and just delightful morning.
What did you make for your teas this morning?
So I made a Meadow Breeze, which was green tea with.
Mine was more a chai base with rooibos and a whole lot of different earthy flavours. It was really nice. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Great learning.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.